The $1,000 you are looking at right now did not come from YouTube AdSense. It did not come from brand deals. It came for a fully automated system where you don't create product, you don't deal with customer supports, and you never even have to show your face on camera. Most beginners YouTubers think they need millions of views to make money full-time income. But today I am going to show you exactly how you can make $1,000 a month from just 10,000 views using high-ticket AI affiliate marketing. Chapter on product selection. If you promote Amazon product for a 2% commission, you need thousands of sales just to make $1,000. We are not doing that. We are targeting B2B software and AI tools. Go to network like PartnerStack or Impact.com. Join the affiliate program for companies like GoHighLevel, Notion, or Jasper AI. This company will pay you up to 40% in recurring commission. Recurring means you sell the software to a customer once, and as long as they keep using it, you get paid every single month passively. If you get just 20 business owners to sign up, you have secured a fixed $20,000 a month in passive income. Chapter 2, Content Creation. We have the product, but where do we get the customers? The answer is YouTube, but we are not making cheap, lazy slideshow. We are going to build professional documentary-style faceless videos that look like they will be produced by a high-end production agency. First, go to ChatGPT and write a highly engaging 8-minute YouTube script about AI is changing digital marketing, including hook, body, and call to action. Once you have the script, take it to ElevenLabs, select a deep American voice like Marcus or Adam, and generate the audio. Next, use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate hyper-realistic cinematic image based on your script. Now the magic, bring everything into your editing software. The skin need to change visually every 3 to 4 seconds. Add dynamic caption, use whoosh and riser sound effect, and color grade on your image. Your video quality need to be a premium, thus people are forced to pay attention. Chapter 3, Traffic and the Algorithm. You cannot just post videos and pay for a millions view. The ultimate YouTube cheat code right now is mixture of extreme quality and high volume. If you want to trigger that algorithm, you need a stick routine. Start uploading exactly on long form video and on short form video every single day. The shorts will act as a massive net, pulling in the millions of new eyeballs on your channel quickly. The long form videos will build deep trust and convert the traffic into loyal paying customer. If you can maintain this daily upload routine for 90 days straight, YouTube will have no choice but to blow up your channel. Chapter 4, The Funnel. Do not just drop a raw ugly affiliate link in your description. People are scared to click those. Instead, use Linktree or SNS code to create a clean, free landing page. At the end of your videos, give a call to action. If you want to exact list of AI tools I use to run my business, click the link in the description. When they land on your beautiful page, click your 2 links and sign up. Boom! A $100 commission hits your account. You are sleeping and your video is closing sales for you 24/7.